It's okay to give him a tip?
Yeah.
Can I give you a tip real quick, sir? Fire? I see you're having a lot of trouble there. Let me do it real quick. On this right here, you're good. Firearm, you don't want to bring your head down to the gun. You want to bring the gun up to your head. So you don't want to do like this. This is a misconception to have it in here. You want it comfortable where you're going to shoot. You lock it. This is 223. Your nose, you should be touching this. You should be like dead center on this. See that? Yeah. So when you're on here, reason for that is anytime you keep your face back here and you go this, or this, you change the sight picture. That's why you shoot all over the place. You can never zero this. Okay. I can't hit the same place. Every time you move your head just a little bit, either direction. Yeah. So if you keep your nose here, you know you haven't changed it. Because your face is stuck here now. You know, okay, I have to move. So every time you fire, it should be what's called a true shot. You're going to fire true every single time. Okay? That's a little tip. And then when you fire on this,
do you typically, I saw you take that stand. I was thinking of using this, or do you usually use standing?
I can shoot either way, but that's me. I don't know what.
I kind of want to stand.
You want to stand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just get into a good stand.
Yeah.
You got to pick the target. Don't do this. Okay? That's that old movie stuff. Let me show you why. When you're doing all that John Wayne stuff like this, okay, you're fighting your body's natural position. You want to be here. So you face your target, get your firearm ready, and you're going to engage, pump straight up on your target. That way, when you're wearing body armor, you turn sideways, bullets are going to hit you. You're facing it, they're hitting they're hitting the interceptor, they're hitting the ballistic. So as you come up, you got the. You can be straight. You're taken care of. See what I'm saying? Better chance of living. Face your target straight on. Don't look to the side. Straight up, engage, and lock straight in. Okay? Go ahead, I'll show you.
I just want you to know,
Yes.
you see these three guys?
Yes.
They don't work here.
Great. Great.
Yeah, that's getting in your way a little bit. But yeah, that's going to get in your way. Some gloves. Oh, you got gloves? Okay. Right. No, on the charging hand, there you go. Get where it feels comfortable. Arm down. There you go. When you switch, like you're going to get into a fight like this. Let's see. You're going to fight somebody. You're not going to be fighting like this, right? No, you're going to be engaged, right? With a gun. You don't want to be back here. You want to shoot in. My target right here. I want to shoot here. Okay, so lean into it. You ever play volleyball?
Play football. If I'm on my back heels, I'm going on my ass.
Yeah. Just like volleyball. Get a good stance because you're going to engage and go forward. Okay. Same thing when you're playing, like say defense or something. You're leaning in. You got to come in after. You're not going to be leaning back, right? Yeah. You're going to be going in because you want to hit. Okay. Then go ahead, try it. Bring the stock up high. Yeah, bring it up. If you have to pull back, shorten the stock. Okay. Yeah, shorten it. Right here. Just one. There you go. Try that.
Is this the release for that?
No. That's forward
Yeah, I
assist.
see, I see.
There it is, right there. There you go. A lot better. Drop the arm down by your side. Yeah. Put the stock up high.
I like here.
Yeah. Even if it's the very tip of
It
it.
feels like it's coming.
Yeah. It will. Yeah. That's how you know it's sitting where it should be.
All right.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Lap. Now up, reset. So here, you fire 1, 2, 3. Reset. Because what happens is the longer you stay there, while your shoulders there, you're going to start doing this. And you're going to start getting tighter and tenser. Yeah. Exactly. So you're going to come up. 1, 2, 3. Reset. 1, 2, 3. Teaching yourself after every 3 shots, be relaxed. Breathe. Just like when you're not breathing, you're passing out. So if you're breathing, you're not breathing. You're leaving everybody.
You got an active range? Whatever you want.
I was Army.
Okay.
I was a parachutist. I was the 82nd Airborne. Yeah, no worries.
Let's give that a try.
Yeah, so engage your target. It'll be squared up. Take that deep breath. Full point of exhale, start to squeeze. Okay, full point of exhale. This time, your grip.
Stand down.
Your hand. So you can push out. Almost as if you want to put your thumb at your target. Instead of coming in and gripping in, you point your thumb. Helps to lead and keep the barrel.
Muzzle control with that too?
Yeah.
Yes, you can push farther.
Okay.
But it's like a routine thing.
Okay.
Almost if you, yeah. Just where you can grab the barrel, turn your hand up.
You got all that velocity.
Like this.
You got all that.
There you go.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. I've never even thought that.
Yeah, how's that feel?
It feels a lot more stable.
Yes, feels
Yeah.
good, right? It's like you're pointing your thumb. Like that. There you go. That's it. Time yeah, feels good, right?
Yeah, it feels great. No, it feels more
Yeah,
stable.
good. Keep practicing, okay?
I will.
You'll
I
be
will.
good. Right. Any help, let me know.
I like that.
Yeah,
I like that
that
with the
keeps
nose.
you stable because a lot of shit, they'll fire, go to fire again, and you just change the side. Like,
You
why
want to
am
try
I
the rest
missing?
of
I like that. I'm gonna start.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Is it empty?
No, and I was going to let them finish the
Oh,
rest of
have Jason finish it.
You go, Uncle Jason.
All you gotta do is pull the trigger. Already.
I'm gonna start a new video.